but still be able to eat what I want to eat. That's why I fuck this keto shit. Fuck keto. Who the fuck trying to impress people by looking good? I'm here just to fucking be fit so I can eat. I love eating. I'm not gonna change the way I fucking eat, so fuck you. All the time, I get these idiots. Hey man, you eat like a pig. You're gonna die. You should do keto. Fuck it, man. Live your fucking life, guys. Just let me live till 80. Enjoy my life. I don't need to live until I'm fucking 100. Enjoy your fucking life. Everything in moderation. See, I'm probably more fit than most of you fuckers now. That's been telling me to go vegan. That's been telling me to go keto. Fuck that shit. Woo-wee. All right. See, I made up the hill pretty good. Wait a little bit so everybody joins in. Woo-wee. Feeling good, guys. Been working out down to like fucking bodybuild and, you know, but fuck, just feel good, have more energy, and to be able to eat and enjoy my fucking life. Same thing with working, man. You know, sure, we love money, all this shit, but the goal of money is not just to fucking accumulate wealth and material shit. Just like the point of working out shouldn't be just to be a bodybuilder. You know, looking good is one thing, but feeling good is better. Same thing with working, man. We all work to make money, obviously. Wouldn't be doing this shit if it's free, right, guys? Fucking every day grinding, going to work for free, monopoly money, you wouldn't do that. But we do it not for the money per se, but for what money can do for us in terms of freedom, helping our family, our friends' family, and just being able to fucking contribute to society, man. That's the main thing. Contribute to society so that the moment I die, I have known that I feel that I've given something back to the world. And I'm not just fucking another, you know, dead body. Anyways, guys. Yep, I look like shit, but I feel good. Well, anyways, guys, how you guys doing? This is going to be an important one. Because, let me see who's here, guys. Hey, Alex, you around? A couple of stuff. Alex and I created a webinar that for non-MIC, okay? If you're an MIC, you already know all this stuff that's in the webinar. So you can go to the webinar at myinvestingclub.co. That's .co, like in company, and not .com, okay? You go to .com, that goes to our website that you can actually join MIC. But the free webinar is going to be at myinvestingclub.co, okay? So if someone can type out that for everybody to see, myinvestingclub.co. That's where non-MIC, the reason it's non-MIC, because if you're an MIC, we teach you this stuff already. So now we're going to give the non-MIC people a little taste of what MIC is like. The reason we do this, guys, because, man, I get, you don't believe how many messages that Alex and I get a day. And Tosh too. It's unbelievable. They ask all sorts of stuff. And I'm just thinking in my head, like, why don't you just join for one fucking month? All these answers. I'm not going to get rich off of you paying me $180. But you can. You have a huge chance of getting rich by joining MIC. I won't get rich. I already have money. Your $180 in 1 month is not going to do anything for me. But it basically can change your life. Did you lose more than $180 today? Did you lose more than $180 this week or month? $180, guys. These guys are asking me, what's the plan, Bao? What's your plan? What do you think on this? Why this? Why that? I'm like, dude, if you just fucking join MIC for 1 fucking month, okay, and learn this, You're not going to be proficient in 1 month, obviously, but you understand what's going on. These questions, you will save so much money and frustration of getting into bad trades, of understanding how these stocks move. You know, the guys that are in MIC can tell you this. It's like everybody that tells me that joined, they go, dude, I should have joined sooner. I mean, that's why we are out here every freaking day reaching out to the public. We are the only ones that are doing this, guys. We are the only ones reaching out to the public. We are not scammers. If I was a fucking scammer, I wouldn't be fucking showing you my life. You know? You don't see fucking me driving Lambos every day. I can if I wanted to. It's sitting in my fucking garage. But that is not the true trader lifestyle. So I've been on social media for a long time, exposing myself, my life, my family, you know, to everything. So you guys can get a glimpse of what a real day trader looks like. A real day trader lives. A real day trader fucking eats. You know, it's not what the fucking image that these trader lifestyle motherfuckers show you. They only show you like, oh, the fucking good life. But fuck, dude. I'm here working, trading every fucking day because I love it. I think that's what separates us from most of these guys. We are day traders first. And so I would never stop day trading. I may reduce my size. I may trade when I only want to, which I have now. So the freedom I have from doing this is I get to teach you guys, as well as, you know what, man, if I don't feel like going to work today because I want to hang out the night before, so be it. That is what I fucking live my life to earn, guys. The trader lifestyle is freedom. It's not having Lambos. It's not showing off. You know what I'm saying? This is the trader lifestyle. I am walking. What time is it now? It's 8 a.m. in California. I'm able to fucking exercise and walk around and talk to you guys. That is a dream come true, man. To be able to say, oh, there we go, McLaren. That's not a day trader lifestyle. He's going to work, but he probably has a ton of shares in a .com. But that's what I tell people, man. You don't have to be a full-time trader for this to be life-changing. Supplement your income. Supplement your income, guys. No one just starts off being full-time. You need money to live. And I was a full-time employee. So these guys that say, oh, corporations suck. But, dude, the richest motherfuckers in the world all work for a fucking company. They get stock options, all that. But at some point, money is not important anymore. And that's why I went to day trading. I was making a shitload of money in my corporate job, man. Like $250,000 a year, guaranteed. Not including benefits. Stock options, all this shit. And this was 15 years ago, guys. Over a decade ago. So you imagine how much money that was worth back then. I gave it all up to learn day trading. I never thought I was going to become super successful, whatever, teaching people. But it was a passion I had. It was to supplement. It wasn't to supplement my income. It was to supplement my mental fucking, what's the word, man? Mental capital. I hated my job, even though I made a ton of money. Of course they had to pay me a ton of money for me to work there, right? I could have done a lot of things. And so I supplemented my mental capital to day trade because I loved it. It was never about the money, but just so happens I was very good at it and I started making money. And so now, you know, back then no one taught anybody anything. And so this is how we were born, guys. So the fact that you guys are here listening, I congratulate you in the sense of, not because you're listening to me, dude. I congratulate you because, dude, I see myself in you. You do what it needs to do to fucking make your dreams come true, guys. And I'm telling you, man, this is why I clash with a lot of these motherfuckers. They're fucking selling the scam. They're selling the lifestyle. Bullshit. This is the fucking lifestyle right here, guys. I have all these toys that they have in the garage, even more, right? I live in a great place. I have great people, but I don't flaunt this shit. That's not the intention of all this stuff. You know, I still grind every day, even if I fucking lose $1,000, which is, you know, I don't want to be a dick, but relatively, that's nothing for me. My bar tab's $1,000, right? But it's the fact that I genuinely want to trade well. I genuinely want to learn to be better and to genuinely teach you this. And that's why I keep trading, guys. I'm not going to stop trading. I'm not one of those marketing fake fucks. I am still actively trading in the room every single day with all my members. And I am the only one, guys, the only motherfucker that posts all my fucking charts. For how many years now I've done that? I am leading the charge, guys. So let me explain to you that, right? I'm going to dispel all the fucking myths and all this shit. The only way you see how someone trades is to see their prints. They can make calls all they fucking want. I am a perfect trader in hindsight. I can pull up a chart and tell you exactly where the moves are, where I should sell, where I should buy. But unless you enter and execute, those calls are worthless. You're not convicted enough to act. I could throw 1,000 fucking predictions out there. What a prediction is? It's a call. It's an alert. But did you buy it? Alerts, calls are bull fucking shit. Unless you fucking enter, unless you exit. Show people how you fucking do it. And I do it every day. Win, lose, or draw, you see it. I'm not afraid to show it because you know what, man? The moment I drop my ego, like I said, the moment I drop my ego, life was so much better. I don't have to live up to this mystique. I don't have these fucking pressures. So what if I fucking take a big loss? So what? People lose. You know what I'm saying? But if you keep hiding and you fucking pretend to the world you're a perfect trader, then you have to keep that fake ass shit. So I want to tell you, you watch these things, it's not just about stocks, dude. I want you to fucking learn this for your own life. And you may not fucking keep trading for the rest of your life. Some will, some don't. But this is going to be fuel for whatever you do in the future. Whatever businesses you open up, whatever jobs you have, this is the mentality you need to get. You see what I'm saying, guys? So you have to fucking understand. It's fucking a struggle. You have to be honest with yourself. And at the top level, honesty, you can't fake this shit. You know what I'm saying? You can fake it to a bunch of dumb fucks. But at the top level, they see right through you. And that's why you will never hear anybody from the top level bash me. They will because they're fucking assholes, but why aren't they showing their trades? Why am I the only guy showing the trades? Why am I the only guy showing all my fucking prints? They're ugly. They're not the perfect prints, but that's to show you that you do not have to be a perfect trader to make money, guys. I'm going to say that one more. You do not have to be a perfect trader to make money. You do not need to have the tops. You do not need to have the bottoms. You just need to take advantage of a move. And that's it. Now, how much money you want to make, that's on you. Greed is what fucking kills most of these motherfuckers, okay? I can teach you how to make money every day. But keeping the money is tough, okay? So it leads me to this example, right? The reason I'm doing this IG Live. So I posted on Twitter, guys. I posted on Twitter. I'm going to do IG Live at 11. Next, you know, I saw XNet run up. And I'm like, whoo, good thing I didn't fucking have it. That's because based upon my process, I knew I needed to get out. And I got out before the move, before the zombie hours. Perfect trade, guys. Fucking packed up my shit. Tried to do IG Live. Then I saw it go up. Then I'm like, fuck, I didn't make enough money today. That's exactly what went through my mind. And that's what goes through my mind every single day. I did not make enough money. Greed. I did not make enough money. One more trade. And so I sat down. Literally, dude, I was getting up and do IG Live. I sat down. I go, I'm just put a little nibble in. One trade. If it doesn't work out, I'm going to stop out. But that never happens. I got fucking squeezed up. You know, it was only down like 10, 20 cents. I was probably only down 10 cents. But still, what if that stock, XNet, had ran up to $7? I would have fucked myself. I broke every fucking rule. You know, my old habits came back. I was greedy. And then I was stubborn to take the loss. Thank God it went down. And I fucking took off. But that's a daily reminder, guys, of that danger of one more trade. One more trade. You know what that one more trade was? It was breaking a rule. And the reason I broke a rule is because I didn't think I made enough money today. Only made a few grand. I mean, but if you think about it, it's a lot. If I keep doing this shit, no stress, it'd be okay. But I'm looking at this. I'm looking at FPay. That thing went up down so much. I'm like, fuck. I couldn't get size filled. I was only very small. I think I had like 2,500 shares. Something tiny, right? And I'm like, fuck, dude, fuck. So in my head, it was a makeup trade. And then also INO. I couldn't fill. I had fills all over the open. Fucking tanked down. So I didn't look at the things I made money on. Well, so I followed my process and made money. I kept on thinking, oh yeah, RKDA. Sorry guys, not XNet. RKDA, one more trade. So I wasn't happy with the money that my process spit out. If I follow my process, guys, I am almost always green, okay? Because my process keeps me safe. I trade few stocks and it averages out, and I'm usually always green if I follow my process. If I lose, so be it. It's a small loss. Because my process gets me to stop out. When I lose big is when this kind of shit happens. One more trade where I feel like I missed out. I'm pissed off that other people are making more money than me. I see the chart and all these stocks, I'm off the top tick by only a couple of cents, guys. You know how frustrating it is when it's like, dude, I know where the lines are. Everybody knows in MIC, and I'm only off by a few cents. And I'm happy for these people making the money. The problem is your old self comes by. Everybody has an ego, guys. Everybody fucking have an ego. But how do you control that ego for you to build a career out of it, right? Like, I've always thought I was the best developer back in the day. And I was passed up for a lot of promotions, so I was pissed off and bitter. Things like that. So, everybody always has an ego. But it's how you control that ego and channel it to make yourself successful, right? And so today I almost fucked up again, guys. Okay? I had flashbacks. I have fucking flashbacks where this is the same sort of shit. I'm about to fucking leave. And then, of course, a zombie hour, the stock pops up. That's the definition of zombie, guys. Definition of fucking zombie. FPay, see? I miss FPay, all this shit, right? And so, one more makeup trade. So what happened is I deviate from my process. By deviating from your process, what you do automatically is this. You threw every plan out the window. I always say, plan your trade and trade your plan. Process. Okay? When you deviate from your process, you're now making shit up on the fly. So I didn't know what the fuck to do. I didn't know what to cover. I was like, fuck, panic. And so that's how so I calmed down. And then thank goodness I only had a max size of 5,000 shares on RKDA. You know, that's what I was going. So I limit myself. This is pre-market, guys. So, so this is a trick that you guys can learn. Pre-market, when you are not in the trade. When you're not in the trade, you can think the most clear. Right? When you're in the trade, you're all emotional and all fucked up. When you're not in the trade is when you can think the most clear. That is when you should plan everything. So I usually plan all my trades pre-market. And then when the market opens, I execute them. Either manual or by fantasy orders. We talk about that, but we don't need to talk about it now. But my point is, I plan everything pre-market because I'm not in the stock. That's when I think the most clear. So I'm like, RKDA, this one could be dangerous, dude. It ran up big last time. It could be fucking a sleeper. And so I only allocated 5,000 shares. I located only 5,000 shares to short because usually I do a 10,000 share size. You know what I'm saying? But today I did on that 5,000 shares because I'm like, dude, it has killed people in the past. It's thin. It's hard to fill. And so I put a boundary around what maximum I can lose. So at least I can only lose 5,000 shares of whatever pops up. So it pops up $1, I lose $5,000, right? That's still not, it sucks, but it's not gonna kill me. And so I put a limit and a fence around myself. And by giving myself that size of a share, 5,000 may be a lot to you, but for some people it's nothing, right? That's an entry, right? So by giving myself an allowance, I call it an allowance, I was frugal. I only added 1,000 shares, 500 shares, 1,000 shares, 500. You know what I'm saying? So I was very frugal. So imagine if you're a rich kid and you had your parents' credit card. You buy anything you fucking want. But now if your parents give you an allowance, you're going to budget it, all this. So this is a great thing, man. Don't give your kids unlimited budget. Teach them ahead of time how to budget correctly. Give them the budget to work with. And that's the reality of fucking living. Right? We all live within our budget. I don't care how rich you are, you still have a fucking budget. The billionaires, they would love to buy a 1,000-foot yacht, but they can't. So they only buy a 200-foot yacht because that yacht is $500 million. You know what I'm saying? So everybody has a budget to live within. Okay? And so the earlier you learn that, the better. So that's why I always do my max size, guys. The max size is a great tip, a great trick for me to have an allowance on the number of shares that I enter so that I can be frugal, so that I don't just keep adding to infinity, knowing that I can only add to 5,000 shares on RKDA. I started out very small because I needed to save my bullets for the lines on top. Does that make sense, guys? Okay, so always budget yourself. If you budget yourself, your entries will be better because now you're frugal. You don't want to waste your bullets. You only have a few bullets to spend. So you're very frugal. And I'm telling you, it's better to miss than it is to get in too early. Okay, so there's a fine line between always missing and always filling. Somewhere is a balance. Okay? The problem is a lot of people, they missed a few times, and so they enter early. It's called FOMO, fear of missing out. And that's how people get fucking killed. Okay? Keep to your process. Keep to the lines. Because you know what, man? A trick to cure that as well. To enter very small. So let's say you would normally enter at 1,000 shares. Put in 200 shares. Just to like scratch that itch. You see what I'm saying? If it moves up $1 against you, it's only $200. But mental wise, you cured your itch. So these are the tricks that you have to kind of understand about yourself. Everybody's different. Everybody's different. So it's like you wet your beak, they say, right? And so I enter really small just to wet my beak. But that causes problems too if you keep on entering and entering. And so the way I've cured it a lot of times is to have a max size. A max size, guys, is going to help me because a max size, you know ahead of time what your risk is, how much you could potentially lose. But it doesn't matter. Even if I lost $5,000, it sucks because it's an unnecessary loss. I broke my rules. It's that one more trade mentality because I missed out on INO. I missed out on FPay, the big score. I didn't get size on that. I made money. But it was not enough. But you gotta realize, it's never enough, guys. So the only thing you can do is keep to your process, your discipline, and get a tab, a training accountability buddy. Alex is like, get the fuck out. Alex is always telling me, get the fuck out. Go do your walk. And so I'm doing this IG live to force myself. And it's also a great way to walk, exercise, and clear my brain because I know myself. There's certain times as a short trader, there's certain time frames which is optimal for me to trade, and certain time frames that is all trapped. Low volume, low liquidity traps. And then they rip it up. And I'm a short seller, so I get fucking raped. So it's best not to get influenced. It's like an alcoholic. It's like if you're an alcoholic, don't go to the fucking bar, even though you say, I'm not gonna drink. It's just being around that environment fucks you up. So today, I was very blessed. I was very fucking fortunate, very lucky that I didn't get trapped. I got the fuck out. And I was also very fortunate that I had a max size, so I couldn't really get myself deep. So I was up to 4,000 shares of RKDA. You know what I'm saying? Which is not much, but at the same time, I want to get the fuck out. It's front side. It survived the VWAP. I'm just basically breaking all my fucking rules. Zombie hours, every fucking rule. I know I was fucking wrong. But I could not take that loss for some reason. I'm like, I don't want to fucking take a loss. So what I did was this, guys. I was like, I made a few $1,000 today. I'm going to use that as cushion. But that cushion goes away really fucking fast. Why the fuck should I unnecessarily take that fucking loss? And so you can have this cushion game for the rest of your life. So the hardest part for me is, it's like these trades are very small relative to my bankroll and all that shit. Relative to my, you know what I'm saying? I can always put more money in whatever. But it's unnecessary loss. And you imagine if you have $500 and you're like, okay, it's only $500, but you have 10 of those unnecessary losses a month. That's $5,000, guys. You see what I'm saying? Unnecessary losses add up. Unnecessary losses makes you an undisciplined trader. Unnecessary losses gives you bad habits. The last thing you need is a bad habit. And I keep telling everybody this. The most dangerous trade is a trade where you break every rule and you get away with it. You get away with it. Like today. Fuck. You know what I'm saying? So you have to beat it inside your head that was a stupid fucking trade. Don't do that again. And how do you stop yourself from doing that again? Not even enter. The moment I stick my toe in the water, I'm fucked. The alligator pulled my fucking toe down, fucking is trying to claw at my penis, right, guys? That shit that you don't want to get in, man. You don't want to fucking even get there, right? And so I am a tradeaholic. I love to be in the action. I love to trade. And as a result, I overtrade way too much. Okay? And the reason I overtrade is I like that action and I make money over trading. But I make money, let's say 8 out of 10 times. The 2 times I overtrade, I'll get blown up and ran over. So it's not even worth it. Okay? It's the false illusion that you're going to make money that keeps you breaking the rules. Because you got away with it and you got rewarded for it. Okay? As a kid, if you broke rules and got rewarded with it, you keep doing it until you go to prison. Like, oh shit, I stole something. Oh shit. So in the beginning, when you don't steal, you're like, oh fuck, it's bad to steal, it's bad to steal. But then when you get away with it, you're like, oh shit, I'm going to try to steal again. Until when? The only way you stop is you get arrested. And usually that's what it is. So don't even do it. Same thing with DUI, guys. Driving drunk. I take Ubers now. But you know how many fucking lucky breaks do you get in life? So don't do it. Same thing with fucking overtrading. Same thing with breaking the rules. Same thing with all this shit, guys. And so those are the things you have to fucking think about, man. Because I don't want you to get into that trap. Because I was there. I am still there, guys. I'm still mastering my own mental discipline. And I'm telling you, get a tab. A tab has been what has kept me alive for all these years, which I never knew. Trading accountability, buddy, guys. You need to be accountable for your fucking actions. And as a weak individual, I am not a robot. I'm not one of these great master traders you see online that's fucking, I don't need anybody. I am emotionless. I'm a robot. I'm not that. I'm an emotional motherfucker. I am you. I am you. I get pissed off. I get FOMO. I get greedy. I get fearful. You know, I get competitive, all that shit. So every day I'm trying to keep my emotions in check. Okay? So it's like, fuck, I'm a real motherfucker. And I'm pretty sure most of you guys are like me, all over the fucking place. You know what I'm saying? And if you're more controlled than me, even better, dude. You will become a better trader than I am. Imagine if I had the fucking super duper discipline that you guys have, like Alex has. That's why Alex is so phenomenal at his age. He's so young, but he's so disciplined. He does not go out and drink during the weekdays like I do. He does all these things. Okay? And so I work with my flaws. Everybody has flaws, and so we help each other as a tab. We help each other as a tab, guys. And so this is why a trading community is so important. People go, oh, I can trade by myself. All those guys have been trading for themselves. Are they fucking rich? Are they successful? But they're able to have this ego now that I don't need anybody's help. Motherfucker, I would gladly get on my fucking knees and ask Warren Buffett if he's gonna fucking make me a billionaire. I have fucking no ego, man. You know what it is, man? I can fucking dude, watch me from my private jet, dude. You see what I'm saying? It's like, fuck, the guys that have no ego are the guys that make it, man. And so, the sooner you drop your fucking ego, I got help from all sorts of people. Alex helped me. He's a beginner back then, but he helped me. All the guys in MIC room helped me. You know what I'm saying? I'm very thankful for everybody around me. Everybody has a value to give. And I see all these guys I help everybody, guys. You don't need to join MIC for me to help you, obviously. I help people. You guys know I fucking DM with these people for years, dude. But I just don't understand. Sometimes it makes me frustrated because they could just join and they can learn so much more. But their ego, I see so many people, man. They show up to meetups and all that and they go, oh, I can't join you. I can't join you because I'm not that kind of guy. I don't need to trade. I've been trading for 10 years. I don't need to learn from anybody. I'm not like, it's a cry for help. You came all the way to the meetup and you refuse to join because you're too proud. It's just the dumbest fucking shit in the fucking world, man. That was me back then, guys, as well. Holy fuck. I know, what the fuck? I know that, oh my, yeah, that dude almost ran over someone. Wow, fucking little kid in a fucked up. That's why you can tell, man. The loudest cars are the junkiest cars. I hear the I turn around and fucking beat up a cord. I don't want to put anybody down, but you see the mentality? Man, that guy almost ran over a woman on the street. And he honked this woman. He's going like crazy speed in a residential, private, gated community. It's the loudest car, the cheapest car, and the most asshole guy. So, you know, it's like, fuck, man. Those are the kind of guys that have the ego. You know, they get jealous. They honk people. It's like, fuck, dude. Stay quiet and let other people do the talking, guys. Anyways. Whew. Yeah, man. I was saved today, guys. I'm telling you, man, this is a very good day for me to explain to you all the fucking shit. Because I woke up today, there's a ton of trades. I had all my fucking plans out. I had fantasy orders. I had the size I wanted. I'm like, fuck, I know I'm going to fucking make money on this shit. The moment the market opened, everything fucking tanked. I had no fills. No fucking fills at the open on these fucking big-ass tankers. INO. FPay. I'm like, fuck. Fuck. Same thing with CEI. Everything fucking tanked. And all I got was AGRX at the open. Fucking that shit didn't move. It trapped. I made money on it, but I was very frustrated, man. The easier. It's always easy when you look back in hindsight, right? And when you know the results, you're like, but you never know. It could have gone up. So all I could do is follow my process. I followed my process and then made money on every trade I did. Knock on wood. The only stock I deviated was RKDA after Zombie Hour, right before I walked to my thing. And that was the only one I was in trouble with, guys. I was down 10 to 20 cents. You know what I'm saying? You know, I made money at the end, but fuck, it wasn't worth it. All over what? My fucking ego. How much could I have just made? I would have made another $1,000, $800. It's not fucking worth it. To risk that much money during the most unoptimal times, breaking my process. So I'm telling you, keep your process in check. Have your group of tabs helping you out, guys. Whew. All right, who wants to get on, guys? Who wants to get on this IT Live? I think I've ranted enough about this. I hope I beat it through your head that process and deviation from your process is what kills people. Avoid these problems, mental greed, and the only way for me is to have someone slap me to be responsible for it. And so you guys are all responsible for me. I'm responsible for you, and that's what it is, man. All right, let me try this to go live with Jordy. Never went live with Jordy. HERX. See that 220 VWAP? What's HERX at? It's sitting there forever. Tomorrow's day 3 on HERX. Hopefully we get a blowout. Who wants to get on, guys? Let's try a new person to get on. Raise your hand who wants to get on. Ask me anything. Scream at me, troll me, doesn't matter. Eric Boggy. Okay, let me try to get on with Eric Boggy. Oh, trying to get, who wants to get on, guys? Raise your hand. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I know a lot of you guys are working though. All right, let me try bringing another one in. Raise your hand. Okay. Let me try to go with Maraticon. Very good question. 52-week high. We have like a ton of those stocks today. We talked about this in the chat room. Most of these stocks are making new 52-week high. So get on, man. I'll explain to you how to do it. I talked about how we did in the room, and that's how we stay safe on these guys. 52-week highs are dangerous because there is no resistance on top. So you have to use 2-year charts, 3-year charts, and just be patient. Wait for the top to form. Okay? No overhead resistance is dangerous. That's why IPOs are dangerous. There's no overhead resistance, except for the shares that they put out. But How come I see several sponsor ads? Why do we fucking put ads? Why not, dude? People go, why am I fucking putting ads? Why not? I want to grow MIC. I want to train more people. I want more people to fucking learn. So we put ads out. I don't understand. Is this supposed to be a charity shit? I don't fucking understand. I do a lot of charity stuff, but dude, this is also a business. And you know what, man? We run a fucking great business. Same thing as Amazon. Why is Jeff Bezos, the richest guy in the world, still trying to make money off us? Shouldn't Amazon be free? Why are they charging me Prime? Fuck, that guy makes so much money. Let's go troll Jeff Bezos, guys. Him and Mark Zuckerberg are so rich, right? Why are they fucking not giving us money, dude? Why is Amazon not fucking giving me free shipping? Fuck this Jeff Bezos guy. Holy shit. He's so fucking rich. Why do I see Amazon ads all over the place? That's the thing that's the fucking weirdest shit in the world. The stock market is the epitome of capitalism. But these fuckers, they think that this shit should be free. So I've worked my ass off for 20 years to help you become consistently profitable. You shaved off at least 5 years of the learning curve because of the rules that I fucking lost hundreds of thousands of dollars on. Each rule I developed, guys, I've lost money to come up with a zombie rule. Before, who the fuck talked about zombies before? No one. No, who talked about death lines? I saved so many people money. All you guys, most of these guys are chasing holy grail fucking indicators. And I fucking told you, those don't work fucking, they don't work for me. You just need simple lines. You know how long it took me playing around with fibs, Fibonacci, all sorts of fucking Bollinger Band bullshit, whatever the fuck it may be. I always thought, oh shit, I'm missing something. I'm not making money because I didn't enable an indicator. So I had all these indicators when I was young. And all I did was clutter my fucking screen, confuse me. I didn't know what to do. Because all these indicators are fucking working against each other. You have to understand, trading is time frame based. A guy that's swinging a stock for a year investing is going to trade differently than a day trader like me, who is just looking for the moves. So a lot of these indicators are counterproductive for me and vice versa. You know what I'm saying, guys? And so when people go, oh, why are you doing this shit? Oh, fuck, you must be a scammer. Motherfucker, is Jeff Bezos a scammer? You provide a good product and people pay. Fuck, at least I'm doing this shit free. I'm fucking educating you guys for years. Trust me, guys. There's a lot of free service out there. Go to it. Go to it. See if you fucking win money and lose money. The free services are run by guys who are pumping to you. They are not successful. I don't pump shit. I trade for myself. I don't need anybody. I don't even want to know. I don't want you guys to know what stocks I'm in. I trade, and then when I post my charts, they're natural. Naturally trading. Why do you think I'm the only guy doing that? Everybody else is pumping their fucking book. So, and I'm sorry, but it pisses me off when I hear shit like this. It's like, oh, you guys are running a lot of ads. I see trolling so much, okay? So let me talk about that. These motherfucking trolls, I'm glad they're trolling me. If they were not trolling me, I would not be the hot chick of the day, okay? If I wake up one day and people stop talking about me, it means that I suck. I'm no longer, the fashion of the week, where the fuck the word may be. It's because we're the top. We teach people, and we're revolutionary guys. I don't want to fucking keep talking about this shit, but we don't pump. We don't give alerts. We teach you to be self-sufficient, which actually is hurting our business model. Because you're not dependent upon MIC anymore. You learn to be self-sufficient. You quit MIC. We are losing money. We give so much free out information that eventually you don't need us. But what you need us for is the community, okay? Of good guys, good friendships and all that shit. And you learn because everything changes. You cannot be complacent, guys. Just because you're successful today doesn't guarantee you're going to be successful tomorrow. Things change. Environments change. So you always have to keep up with that. So the arrogant guys who think they know everything, they quit, I guarantee you they start to lose. The guys are staying there learning every fucking day, dropping their ego, are the guys that keep making fucking money, guys. Okay? I was one of the biggest traders back then. I did not have a room. You think I have an ego that says I'm better than most of the guys that run the room, which I am. You know what I'm saying? But I don't need that ego. So I quietly traded within their room. I paid money actually sit in their room because I don't want to be noticed. So for the longest time, you never knew who the fuck I am. Until one day, Fannie Mae came up and everyone knew who I was. I didn't want to fucking be known. I sat quietly. I was not a moderator. I didn't pump my stocks. I sat there, listened to people, learned from people. That's how I am. Even though I was a giant-ass trader, dude. You know what I'm saying? My volume would eclipse the entire room. But that's what it is, man. You learn all this stuff. So these guys, so I'm going to leave you with this, guys. I don't want to keep talking about this shit, but it's up to you on if you want to be successful in life. First step is to get rid of your fucking ego. Get rid of your fucking ego. If I can get rid of my ego and be successful, you can too. Because I had a lot of baggage. I had a lot of chip on my shoulder. And that didn't help me. Being negative doesn't help me. Being positive. So I always look now at life as the glass is half full, not half empty. It's like, fuck, dude, I'm still so much more blessed than everybody out there. And you guys are too, guys. The fact that you're able to fucking listen to this webinar, this IG Live, means you have a phone. You have a phone means you fucking have food. And you have shelter. There's a lot of people that don't even have those basic needs. Okay? And the fact that you're able to fucking listen means you're not blind. You're not crippled. You're not disabled like that. So I always think about that. So back then, you're like, oh, fuck, why can't I get the nicest bike? But there's kids out there that can't even walk. They're in a wheelchair. So you always have to put that shit in perspective, guys. It's like, stop fucking beating down on yourself. Crying is not going to do anything. Appreciate what you have. Make the most of what you fucking have, guys. The guys are envious. The guys are going to fucking not make it in life. And they fake it till they make it. I don't believe in that faking until you make it bullshit. Okay, guys? Be quiet about it, okay? And help people. When you make it, send the elevator back down. Whew. All right. Sorry, man. I went a little rant, but some things need to be said, man. There's a lot of stupidity out there. And it's like, I'd rather have tough love than fucking to be massaging your back to get you to join MIC, knowing that you're an asshole that you're not going to learn. The guys that want to be spoon-fed, I don't want an MIC. I turn around so many people, guys. I'm this way on purpose. I tell people it's not fucking easy. It's fucking hard, but it's not impossible. If you really want to fucking learn for yourself, this is what you do. You have to fucking learn. There's no fucking, you can't be spoon-fed place. You'll never fucking learn. And these chat services, they spoon-feed you because they want you to be the sheep that makes their P&L so they can sell to the next sheep. They have no retention for a reason. They burn and they churn. They're not teaching you. They're using you. Okay? I'm teaching you how to fucking trade the right way so that you don't need me. You know what I'm saying? We're friends, but you don't fucking need me. I want you to be self-sufficient, guys. And that is what pisses me off. And that's what makes these trolls hate me, because I'm changing the whole fucking game by enabling you to learn so that you don't need anybody. So that you can look at these motherfuckers that are pumping and dumping and go, aha, I know why you're doing that. But it's okay. You don't need to scream at them. Keep it in yourself and trade against them. And that's what I do. A lot of my income is to trade against these other chat rooms. That's part of a huge strategy that I do. Once you learn that, of course, sometimes you get run over, but fuck, you have stops in place and all that. But the key is this, guys. Life is all about managing your expectations, being humble, to carefully step up to the next level. I always say this, guys. Don't compare your chapter 1 with my chapter 100. And I won't compare my chapter 100 to Jeff Bezos' chapter 2 million. Right? There's always levels to this game, guys. Okay? And I'm not, I fucking, Amazon's a great service. I pay fucking Amazon Prime, even though I haven't bought shit from them for months. But I'm not gonna go fucking trolling him. I admire those guys. Like, a lot of these guys are bashing Elon Musk for what? He's a billionaire. He's worth $22 billion. You barely have a nickel in your fucking wallet. Your pocket, barely a nickel in your wallet, in your pocket, and then you're fucking bashing a billionaire? I would fucking love to learn from Elon Musk. I don't give a fuck. These fucking losers are bashing these billionaires. Are you fucking kidding me? Why not fucking try to learn from them? Stop fucking hating, dude. It's like I admire all these fucking people that came before me in this industry. I'll throw out some names, okay? Like Tim Sykes. What's up, Tim? You know, it's like in the beginning, I was very pissed off because, like, hey, man, why are you doing this? But then now I'm like, you know, man, he provides a service. You don't have to sign up. You choose to sign up. It's whatever makes you, you know, like this is life, dude. Stop fucking crying. I buy bad food all the time. I buy bad sporting events. Like fucking the Warriors suck this year. Why are you trolling the fucking owner of the Warriors? He's a billionaire. You know what I'm saying? So, but you learn. Everything happens for a reason, guys. I'd rather lose in the beginning and learn my lesson than lose at the end. Sometimes you need a loss for a wake-up call. And look at Sykes. He's doing phenomenal things with fucking charity now. So I'm thinking in my head, holy fuck. If this guy can change, if this guy can now help humanity, fuck, there is hope for mankind. And so seriously, dude, I mean, I look at life like that now. I'm trying to be more positive, guys. But sometimes you just need a dose of reality and tough love. Whew. All right, let me bring on I'm gonna bring on somebody and kind of end it before the thing comes off. I am constantly trying to be better every day, guys, and be positive. Hey, man, what's up?
Hey.
Oh, finally got you on, man.
Wow, it's a night here. I'm in Netherlands in Europe.
Oh, where in Europe? What city?
Yeah, I'm in Netherlands.
Whoa, Netherlands.
Yeah, I'm from Italy, but live in the Netherlands, cold and Netherlands.
So, what time is it over there?
Oh, here it's just 6 p.m., but yeah, it's dark like hell. As you can see, I'm driving back home now.
Did you come from work or where'd you go?
Yeah, go back from work. Yeah, go back from work. I spent a couple of hours trading this afternoon. Yeah, it was quite good.
So let me ask you, I've never met you. So what's your name and where you, and give me all that good stuff, man. Background.
Oh, so my name is Matteo. I'm from Italy, living in the Netherlands. I'm a member of MIC since, let me think, 4 or 5 months now.
You're Matteo. Oh shit.
Right.
What's up, man? Did you see, man? It's like, fuck, it's funny, man. I'm glad I saw you because your name is different on here.
Oh, yes, way different. Yes. So yeah, I'm a member of MIC since 4 months. I would say I spent like 1 month to think, should I join, should I don't join? And the other day, say, what the fuck is $160? Let me give it a try. And now, yeah, I just signed up for 1 year now. So,
so tell us your experience so far. So you're the classic case that I talked about, where it's kind of like, shit, man, should I join? I don't join, but dude, it's only $180, whatever it is, right? So you're actually,
yeah, whatever.
If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but it works.
Yeah.
I guarantee you, everybody enjoys it. It works.
Yeah, my point was, why don't give it a try? You know, I have a job. I have a nice job. I am like general manager for a corporate company. So I have my daily job already. It was not big easy to give a try for these under $60, under $80. But still money, right? So I spent quite a lot of time to think about. Yeah. So
for
at the end
me,
of the day,
it's more. So Matteo, quick comment. It's not just the money; it's the time, because you know that you're a smart guy. If you join, you have to have enough time to do it right. So I think the fear more is not the money; it's the time, right? It's the time invested.
Right. That's the key challenge for me. Is about the timing. But I would say that I found my way to do. I wake up very early morning now to watch all the videos from you guys and go through, my trader diary. So yeah, it's just make the time for it. And if you want to do, I believe everybody can do. So that's a key challenge about the timing. And when the market open, here is like 3:30 p.m. But with a fantasy order that you guys keep sharing and mentoring all the members, I'm able to do. I just place my fantasy order 30 minutes before open, and then I let the trade works. I keep an eye on my laptop, and and the rest I keep going my work. I like
That's
multitasking.
awesome.
Multitasking, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so how has it been? Tell us the assessment. What have you learned that you like that's different, or what do you find successful?
Yeah.
Like
So
specifically, like
before
what do you think?
MIS,
Yeah.
right, before MIS, I was doing already some of the trading, but mainly was like swing trading, right? Because I didn't think I can have the time during daily job to follow the stock market in real time. So I was more like a 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks open position guy. You might get disconnected here. Let's see.
It still works. It
So
still works.
yeah, but I was very interested to look into day trading. I spent like 3, 4 months to study my own, to make some basic, learn some basic stuff. And then I was like, wow, I learned all of this now, how to put in practice, right? And when you start practice, it's completely different story than books.
Oh yeah.
So that's the time.
Yes. Yes.
That's the
Yes.
time where, yeah, I decide, to commit 1 year, join MIC, and I commit myself. Let's see 1 year from now where I will be. If I will see progress, this is something that I will keep going. If I don't see progress, I will just, cut out. But so far in these 3, 4 months, yeah, I learned so much, man. And I think if I would have done alone, yeah, to be where I am today, which is still a beginner, but if I have to do alone, I will be at this stage after probably 1 year, 1 year and a half. That's
Correct.
my personal experience.
Well, it says it all when you now just upgraded to the annual. That means that you found a value. You found
Yeah,
value. You know.
yeah, definitely. I see the value, and then I say to myself, hey, you know what, Matteo, this is quite interesting. There are some progress, and give to yourself 1 year time, right, to challenge yourself, to learn something and try to make some money out of this.
So let
So
me
I
ask
give
you,
myself,
what did you trade today?
yeah. So today I trade RKDA. Um, it was kind of challenging, I would say.
That's a hard
Didn't it,
stock today. Today was a hard
yeah,
stock on that.
didn't really have the range that I wish, but yeah, I still put pull the trigger.
Are you
Yeah,
going long or short most of the time?
short,
Okay.
short. Most of the time is short. Um, in
So
the
where did
day
you
trading,
get
is
it?
it's just short.
So where did you get in? Where
So
did you get out?
yeah, I should check my chart. I just shared on Twitter.
Okay.
You guys can check it out, Mara Trade. But I got like 20, 25 cents out of this.
Whoa,
Of
not
course, I
bad.
still play. Yeah, I still play low. I mean, small size,
Okay.
right?
So do
So
this for everybody. Tell people the thought process because this is the most important. This is what you learn in MIC because I think this is what's making the difference. The process.
right. So my process is very simple. I'm still learning. I don't rely to myself too much. I rely to Alex watch list, and the video that he's sharing right now are so useful to understand all the logic and the thinking behind. So I use this as a starting point, but I usually draw my line by myself. So I'm not really
Yes.
looking into the chart, right? Support, resistance. Um, so that's a kind of basic process. After this, I place my fantasy order out, including take profit, right, cover, and also max stop loss. So this is something every single trade I made, everything must be in place for me. Like when I'm going to take the profit, when I'm going to cut the loss, everything must be there. Usually, I don't touch anymore the stop loss. What I usually sometimes can happen that I move myself manually is about the taking profit, the cover, based on how the chart will conform to, I would say my forecast. Yeah, what I think is
But
going to be.
that's awesome because now you take the emotion out. You let the system work itself out.
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm not involved with. I try to be disconnected from emotion. The emotion I got, I don't have problem to cut the loss, I would say. This is not an issue for me. The issue is when I see profit, then I start to think, maybe should I cut here, right? And this is something I
So
need to improve
so
myself.
what you could do is scale out, right? Scale out, take a
Right,
little piece off, and then you can hold the rest.
right.
So a good tip is this: you take some out, and then what you do is you move your stop to there. So if it breaks that, you get, you know what I'm saying? So I'm
Yeah, into break even. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm learning now about multiple entry. Then the next one is learning about scale out. Scaling is something I'm learning. I'm into that now. Scale out is something more complicated mainly for my psychological approach. That's the part I need to fix.
So let me ask you this important question. Not really important, but you've only been with us for a few months, right? 4 months, you said?
Yeah, like 4 months.
Have you seen consistency yet?
Yes, I would say yes. I'm green, even though with a small size, my max size is now 1,000 overall. I'm quite consistent compared to when I started. When I started, it was like probably 50-50, something like that.
Good.
Currently, I'm like 70-30.
Okay, that's great. You see, so those are the things you're doing it right. You're doing it slowly. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah,
once you become more consistent, then you always add size. A lot of people they run too fast, and then you know. So you're doing exactly right, man. Work your system so you be comfortable, because trust me, man. When you learn this, you can make money. You know this. You can make money very fast. You can also lose money faster.
right. Right. I started with a 100 share position, right? The first day, the first month, it was 100 share position, just to understand how I deal with that, right? Especially from psychological point of view, and get more, confident about the support and resistance. And since last month, I set up to 1,000. And yeah,
Even with 1,000 shares, you make 10 cents. That's $100. It adds
yeah,
up.
yeah. That's my range now. My range is about $80, $120 per day. That's currently the range I'm in, and it's kind of okay for me as is. I take this as a learning.
Yes, yes. But if you think about it, man, you could crack up a little more later. Not now. I'm just saying, but that adds up.
Sure.
Even 100 a day, it's $500 a week if you can do it. It adds